Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing anything that traps dirt, like necklaces or hair on the neck. Expose the area so you can clean thoroughly. Wet the skin with lukewarm water, not hot. Hot can strip oils and worsen dryness. Pump about 1/2 teaspoon of a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser into your palm and lather. Apply in light circular motions for 20-30 seconds to lift surface dirt. Once done, rinse with steady water flow and pat dry with a clean towel. Ready for deeper steps. You now focus on deeper removal. Use a soft washcloth or silicone brush to gently lift trapped grime along the jawline and neck folds. If skin tolerates it, apply a gentle chemical exfoliant containing low-concentration AHA or BHA once or twice weekly. This dissolves buildup between skin cells. Alternatively, choose a mild physical scrub with fine particles and short, careful strokes. Make sure to move with the grain of hair and avoid harsh pressure. This protects the skin barrier and prevents redness or micro-tears. You finish by rinsing completely, checking creases under the chin and behind the ears so no cleanser or exfoliant remains. Pat the neck dry and apply a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer to restore hydration. When daytime, follow with broad-spectrum SPF to prevent pigmentation. If you notice persistent redness or stinging, stop active products immediately and switch to a fragrance-free barrier cream for several days. If irritation persists beyond a week,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.